Welcome one more time. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Guess what we're gonna cook today? We're gonna make something from my country, Nicaragua, and we're gonna make pork with Gallo Pinto and some fried plantains. For this recipe, you need pork shoulder, okay, or pork butt, B-U-T-T. You wanna cut it not too small, not too big, just like medium size, and you're gonna marinate it with some ingredients that you might have at home. Okay, so this is gonna be amazing if you like to eat pork. You can use vinegar if you want, but later on we're gonna use sour oranges. Okay, you start adding sea salt. Just use like 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, you wanna use some of that too. If you like garlic, just go ahead and add a lot. I like to use lemon pepper. It is something good. Just throw some in there. And I like to use this sazon goya. It is like annato powder. It's annato, and also I have annato paste. I'm gonna throw some of that and Lee and Perrin sauce, like 2 or 3 big tablespoons. And we're gonna use sour oranges. If you don't have sour orange, what you can do is use 2 sweet oranges and maybe 1 or 2 lemon juices, combine everything, and there you have your sour oranges. In a strainer, you start getting all the juice out of your oranges, and you're gonna add it to all the stuff that we have here, and you're gonna combine everything. You can use a glove if you want, so your hands doesn't have to be, with all those ingredients in your hands. Just give it a good massage, let it rest for maybe half an hour or maybe 1 hour, because the meat is gonna, get all those flavor from all those ingredients that we use. Now, in a pan, you add some oil, wait for the oil to be hot, and we have here some Nicaraguan beans. Beans? Yes. Throw some onions and bell pepper. And the beans are already cooked. You boil them for maybe 2 or 3 hours. In a pressure cooker, you boil them for maybe half an hour. And you always keep them inside your refrigerator so they don't go bad. And when you want to make gallo pinto, it is a mixture of rice and beans. The rice is like 1 day old. Of course, I had it inside the refrigerator as well. And you start combining everything. You use 2 cups of beans and 2 cups of cooked rice. And you start combining everything. You can add more vegetable if you want. You can add some oregano, dry oregano. Yeah, some people in Guatemala do that. But here in Nicaragua, we only, use like onions and bell pepper. And that's it. Let it rest. Don't serve it right now. That's called gallo pinto. Now, we have here 2 ripe plantains. These are called plátanos in Spanish. And you want to start slicing. They are ripe, okay? They're not green. You can cook greens too. Yeah, we can make a video later on. Just start slicing the plantains. And you want to fry them. Okay, add some oil in a pan and just start throwing all your plantains in there, your slices. You want to cook them with your heat medium, not too high, because otherwise they could burn. And just want to give it like a brown, nice, beautiful color. After 4 or 5 minutes, you always keep an eye. Don't walk away. Stay near there, and you start flipping them. Perfect. Okay, we have some. This could be a Nicaraguan lunch. And if you ever visit my country, in a lot of places, you can eat this. Now, you don't want to use new oil, the same oil where we fry the plantains, throw it in a new pan, and then start adding all your pork that we marinated. We're not going to cook everything, that's a lot. I like to use bay leaf. Oh, yes, it is a good idea to use bay leaves. Throw maybe like 6 or 7 in there. And you want to cook this with your lid on, okay? You have to be covered. You don't want to cook it like that. No. Just wait maybe 7 or 8 minutes, and you can start to see that the vapors start evaporating, starting to go away. Use a spoon, combine, mix everything in there, put the lid back one more time, and just wait 5 or 7 minutes. You want to see, like the juice start to reduce. That's what you want to see. That's amazing. If you like pork, you're gonna enjoy this. Okay. This is called fritos too in some parts of Nicaragua. They call it fritos. Okay, what do we have here? I have some cucumbers, tomatoes, green onions, lemon juice, and that's it. That's like a pico de gallo. And it is time to start serving all the stuff that you cook on a plate. You want to make it look beautiful. You start adding your gallo pinto. What does gallo pinto means in Nicaragua? Well, it is like rice and beans, but it is like a rooster. Like it's a red deep color. That's what it means, gallo pinto. And thank you for watching. What do you guys think about this? Do you like it? This could be a nice lunch that you can enjoy if you like, Latin American recipe. This is gonna be something for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.